What's you going to jail?
Huh?
You said you got one detained.
I got you detained right now.
Oh,
so am I going to jail?
Huh?
Am I going to jail?
Well, I'm like, when I walked in there, dude, you were down and
I pushed her off for me.
Right.
She didn't want to let me go.
Okay.
She wanted me to stay.
So I'm going to jail.
Come over here real quick.
You're taking him to jail?
Yeah, he's gonna go to jail for resisting right now because he was given a lawful order.
Okay, so you can play all this games and stuff. Okay, been around a long time. I know physical domestic when I see one. Okay.
This case turns on a single legal question: whether the stated basis for the arrest matches what Colorado law actually requires. Begin with the charge the officer announced: resisting arrest.
Or not.
It's crazy right now. This has nothing.
Where's he?
It's over there, but this has nothing to do with my mom.
2-6. I got 2 kids out here. I got some guys yelling in the back. Hey! Artesia Police Department! Get over here! Get over here right now!
No.
Get over here!
Get out of my house.
Get over here!
Jonathan.
Hey! Hey! Get over here right now! Come on!
Jonathan.
Hey!
I didn't do nothing.
Focus.
Get out! Hey!
Just make sure he gets it.
He's refusing to get out.
No, I'm not refusing.
He's not
Get out!
refusing.
I'm not refusing.
Come here! Come here! Come here!
I'm not refusing. I'm not refusing.
Step this way.
I get my sandal.
Get your sandal real quick.
God damn, man.
Outside. Go. Taking Quay. I'll be on Quay. Come here, Haver. Get up against the truck. Put your hands up there. Come on. I got the male subject outside. I'm about to put cuffs on. Come here, put your hands behind your back, man.
You know, fish me.
Alright. Yeah, I'm gonna put cuffs on you first. Put your hands behind your back.
See you much?
Yeah.
T6, I got 1 detained. You can step it down.
Well, she's not going to jail either. What's she going to jail?
Huh?
You said you got 1 detained.
I got you detained right now.
Oh,
So am I going to jail?
Huh?
Am I going to jail?
Well, I'm like, when I walked in there, dude, you were down and
I pushed her off for me.
Right.
She didn't want to let me go.
Okay.
She wanted me to stay.
So I'm going to jail.
Come over here real quick. I'm on Quay, right on the corner of Quay and 26.
I'm not going to do it this way.
Sorry, I'm Park and 6, right on the corner.
I'm not going to do it this way. I'm not going to run around the seat.
I
I can't. I have a bad back.
Do you?
Yeah. I can lean against the wall if you like.
Okay. Or get right up against the bumper then.
What's it?
So what was going on, man?
Man, we're just holding on to each other, and I was trying to get out. That was it, man.
Okay. Because when I walked in there, dude, y'all were, I was
upset. I was like, get off me.
Yeah, y'all were hitting. Somebody was hitting. Cause
Oh, no, that was me throwing my shit.
Okay.
That was me throwing my stuff.
Hold on, man.
So what's going on, man?
No, just arguing, and then I guess we're here. I threw my stuff away.
Okay, turn around. Do you pat you down? Yeah, we'll turn around. Let me give you a quick pat.
Again?
Yeah. You got any weapons or anything?
No,
on you?
no.
What's your name?
Adrian Munoz.
What's your date of birth? Adrian Munoz. 28 Central, clear 1 by name and date of birth. Adrian Munoz, what was the date of birth again? Hey, date of birth, what was it?
Can't pick my pants up, sir.
Excuse me. Go ahead and just sit on this bumper for a second. Or lean up against it. Do you have any ID on you?
No, sir.
Okay, so you're not coming back. You got a different name.
Yes, sir.
28 Central, I'll have a social whenever you're ready.
we got to make sure, okay?
Yes, sir.
I mean, if he doesn't come back and you give him the wrong stuff, then we might get you for consent ID. We don't want to do that.
Why would I have done? Yes, sir.
Okay, you understand?
Yes, sir.
Come on, man. You've been around, baby. All right?
Yeah, I mean, I'm not representing like y'all.
Okay. All right.
Hey, Christine, 728. Can I get our t-shirt? What's the social again? What happened?
She accused me of cheating, and then I started throwing stuff around. When the officer came in, he was at the door. She was on my couch.
On
And
your
I was
couch,
yelling.
how?
I was yelling over her.
Was she on her stomach on the couch?
No, she was just like sitting down. She was sitting down when we were arguing.
Okay. What if you? Just be real. Did you put hands on her? Did you touch
No,
her? Anything like
no.
that?
Why would I tell you? But I didn't.
Okay. I'd expect you to tell me the truth.
I mean, there'll be marks on it.
I just want someone
You
to
know
be
what I
real with me. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, be real with you.
Okay.
You gonna read my Miranda rights?
I don't have to yet because you're just detained.
Okay,
You're not under
so
arrest
how
or
long?
anything, okay? For as long as it takes for this investigation.
More than 15
to
minutes?
continue. As long as it takes to get this settled, okay?
Okay, so who called
To
you?
figure out what's going on here. We don't know who called us.
I didn't call you.
We know you didn't call us.
I know my heart didn't call you.
No. Obviously, you guys were fighting. Someone
No,
heard
arguing.
it.
We're,
Arguing.
I was yelling at my pitch in my lungs.
So she just accused you of cheating?
Yes.
Okay. And that's not my business or anything, alright? I'm not gonna...
No, it's cool, man. Just, you guys do your job. Like I told him, I'm coming out. Can I just please get my son? He
Who
said
lives
yes.
here?
This is our home.
Together?
Yes.
Okay. If we did have to have you guys just separate for the day, who can go somewhere?
I can go somewhere.
You can go see your mom and dad or something? Family? Okay. And then you said there's a son involved?
A son?
You said you have a kid?
Yeah, I have 3 children. I have that one, and the other one's with my mom.
Okay.
They will all stay with me though.
Yeah.
Where,
I'm not taking. I didn't say I was taking them.
Hey, so you'd go stay with mom's?
Yeah, I can go stay
Where'd
with
she
my
stay
mom.
at?
Up the block, over there on Monterey.
Oh,
Past
down
the-
there? By the school?
Yeah, past the school. Like
Okay.
the next block over.
Okay. Yeah, if we figure out that nothing happened, man, we'll probably just ask one of y'all to leave, go
Yeah.
off for the night or something. So just hang back tight and we'll finish this out and square it away, okay? Do me a favor, just face that way real quick. We'll take a look at your back. Like your hands.
I don't know. This cuff is tight though.
This one? Okay. Hold on. Hold on real quick. Let him finish. These are his cuffs. Let's go back there. Do you guys live in this one or in this one?
This is like my little shop. It's my man cave.
Your man cave, it's where you hang out? Okay, have a seat right there. I'll talk to you real quick. Alright.
This cuff is a little tight though, man.
Yeah, no problem. This one, right?
This is-
Better? Now, were you guys, when you were arguing, were you guys arguing out here or in there?
Well, he caught one in there, and that's where he went in the storage.
Okay, but did it start out here? You know what I'm saying?
Oh, I had
Where
pulled
did,
up.
where did all this start at?
Well, in the house.
In the house?
Yeah.
Just like, what, like 10, 15 minutes ago?
How long did it start running? 15 minutes ago?
Okay.
No more than 20.
But you're saying everything was still in the house, it's like inside the walls.
Well, there was when in the beginning she started walking that way, then I got in my ride and I went up to her, and then I convinced her just to walk back over here, and I reversed, and then we were in there.
Oh, so you were in the car
Yeah.
and she was walking away and you drove up to her and you told her to come back? Okay.
She came back.
Was she by herself or did she have the
No,
kids?
she had the kids. She was walking with the kids.
Okay.
I don't know why didn't my name come up?
Why did your name come up?
Yeah.
I don't know. They probably must have misspelled it. Normally, sometimes, like, because your name's Adrian, right?
No middle name.
2 N's, 2 E's. If they spelt it wrong, that's why probably I didn't come up. That's why running you by social is probably just better. What's your mom's name?
Priscilla?
Priscilla? What's her address?
I had two nights. She used to live right here, but none more.
No, but what's her address on Monterey?
I honestly don't know.
Does her dad live with her? Got a nice big fountain in front of it.
Yeah.
804.
I don't know.
It's like almost close to the corner of Monterey and Hermosa. I met your dad the other day.
Yeah, he does a lot of work.
We're good for it. No, I met your dad the other day because he called us. I think it was Ricardo.
Can you give me some shoes there, Jana? Give me some shoes, please.
Under Colorado Revised Statutes, Section 18, 8103, resisting arrest is narrow. It requires that a person knowingly prevent an arrest by using or threatening physical force or violence, or by creating a substantial risk of bodily injury to the officer. The key word is physical. A verbal refusal does not satisfy this statute. Being slow to comply does not satisfy it. Even saying no repeatedly falls outside its reach. Colorado courts have made this distinction clear, and defense attorneys across the state treat passive noncompliance as a frequently mischarged offense. If resisting does not fit, the next candidate is obstruction. Under Section 18, 8104, obstructing a peace officer is broader. It reaches the use or threat of violence, force, physical interference, or an obstacle that knowingly hinders an officer. But the operative concept is still interference, a physical impediment or a threat. Standing in a doorway and verbally declining an order without more does not automatically meet this bar either. Colorado case law cautions that words alone rarely sustain an obstruction conviction.
So, let me ask you something. How many times does he need to tell you to come on out when there's an incident going on?
Well, at first he caught me by surprise.
Oh, but still,
but still, like,
I mean, he was in his uniform and all that good stuff.
I refused to talk anymore.
Okay,
You
good.
didn't resist. There was no resistance.
There was no
Okay.
resistance, man.
Okay, when I told you to come outside, you
I
did not.
apologize, yeah.
You kept on telling me no.
It was a heated
I
moment.
quiet.
apologize.
You kept on telling me no, and then you told me that
No.
to get out
Get
of your
I
property.
apologize.
Now, me getting out whenever obviously something's going on.
You didn't let me get my sando. What are
Yeah.
you talking about?
I did. I
Yeah.
did.
no,
Once
no.
you, I told you.
You did.
Right
Can I
at
please
the,
get my sando?
yes, I did tell you you could get it real
yeah,
quick.
Yeah, and I did.
Yes, but you
I
weren't listening
complied.
to me at first when I first told you to come outside. You were refusing to come out, and you were telling me to get out.
Is that the only you guys got on me? Because, I mean, like, I honestly
Really,
didn't hear
do
you.
you want to play a game?
I honestly
I'll
didn't-
take this
I
investigation
honestly
over,
didn't hear him.
and I'll get you for a
I
battery.
honestly didn't hear him.
You heard him enough to where you told him to get out
After
of
a
the
while, I
house.
turned around and I was like,
So it's up to you if you want to do that or not.
like, for real, like, I'm like, what?
He says that he was on top of her inside of the flipping thing. Like,
Or he's over her. So I can't tell if she's afraid.
Like,
Huh?
He was
She
cooperative.
won't talk. She keeps on saying nothing happened.
but did you see it?
Yeah, well, like, that's why I was watching video footage, because my video camera, like, she's, like, hunched over on the couch, and he's, like, over her. And then when I called in, it was, yeah. I mean, I can give him first off.
Based off your word alone, you can get that.
Yeah.
Every time
When I did,
these guys
I was like,
come
look.
here, you do the same thing. Okay.
Let me check. Let's talk to you real quick, man. Yeah, we'll put your shoes on. Hi, sweetie. Like your doll. Can you come here real quick? Hey, ma'am. Can you just come here real quick? I just need to ask you one question.
He was cooperative.
Okay,
It was a
okay.
heated moment at the
Now,
moment.
here's the only thing I want to ask, okay?
Okay.
So
Here.
he says he was over you on the couch.
Yeah.
Yelling.
And I did kick him off.
Okay.
I did. But I thought, well, I mean, it was a reaction.
Are you afraid?
I mean,
He was over yelling.
yeah, I mean, that's why I, like, freaking kicked him off. I mean, I've been in situations before. I mean, I've been in, not with him,
Abusive
but
relationships?
before.
Okay. So you were afraid of
So
what
I
he was
have,
doing.
like, PTSD, but, like, he didn't hit me.
Okay.
He was over me, yelling at me. He thinks that I took his money. I did not. But He didn't hit me. He didn't put his hands on me. I kicked at him. I did kick him.
But you were afraid.
Yeah, but I didn't. But he never hit me though.
Okay.
He never put his hands on me.
Do you own anything in this part of the house? Is any of this in here yours? Do you own any items?
Come on,
or
Zoe.
anything?
I mean,
Come on,
I don't know
sir.
why.
Say bye, Mom.
Did he break
Say bye to
anything
Mommy.
yours?
Say bye to Mommy.
No, I mean, he hasn't broken anything. No, there's nothing broken on my side, baby.
Okay.
This is where the analysis shifts, because Colorado is a mandatory arrest state. Under Section 186.803.6, when an officer develops probable cause that a crime involving domestic violence occurred between intimate partners, the officer shall arrest the person identified as the predominant aggressor. The word shall removes discretion. The alleged victim cannot waive it. A later recantation cannot undo it. Domestic violence itself is defined in Section 18.6.8-100.3. It is not a standalone crime. It is a sentence enhancer attached to an underlying offense and an act or threatened act of violence against an intimate partner. That enhancer can attach to assault under Section 18.3, 204, or to harassment under Section 18.9.111. So the real question is not resisting at all. It is whether probable cause for an underlying domestic violence offense existed. The standard for probable cause is modest. A fair probability that a crime occurred, not proof beyond a reasonable doubt. An admission of pushing, an account of one partner positioned over the other while yelling, an expression of fear, and a history of abuse, together can clear that threshold comfortably. Where they do, the arrest is not merely permitted. It is required by statute. Two constitutional points deserve attention. First, detention versus arrest. Under Terry versus Ohio, decided in 1968, an officer may briefly detain a person on reasonable suspicion. Handcuffing alone does not automatically convert a detention into an arrest, but the longer and more restrictive the seizure, the closer it moves toward one requiring probable cause. Second, Miranda. Under Miranda versus Arizona, decided in 1966, warnings are required before custodial interrogation. The label detained does not control the analysis. The substance does. When a handcuffed subject is asked whether he assaulted his partner, a court may later find that questioning custodial, and any unwarned statements vulnerable to suppression.
That's all I need to ask him.
Okay, what you taking him to jail?
Yeah, he's gonna go to jail for resisting right now because
But he didn't resist, though.
He was given a lawful order.
Yeah, but he put his hands up and
I get it.
he freaking didn't.
But when he was told to get up and get out,
Okay, but you gotta.
he didn't do it. No,
I
that's a
understand.
lawful order.
I
Especially
understand.
when someone looks like they're in fear and they're getting hurt, it's a lawful order.
I understand, but he did.
Okay.
He did okay. He did go. He was just. It was just a heat of the moment situation. He didn't. He was fine.
He was fine.
Okay,
I mean, we were
let me-
arguing, and like
Hey,
we were arguing. And
When I just saw the video, you were like crouching over at the couch, okay, like you were about to get struck.
Ma'am, he assaulted
Okay, so
you.
you can play all this games and stuff, okay. Been around a long time. I know physical domestic when I see one, okay. And then when he told him to come on out, he pretty much told him to get out. Did he or did he not? Okay then. All right, we're done. Get him arrested.
This brings the grading into focus. The responding officer earns a B-. The investigation was sound. Parties separated, both interviewed, restraints checked, children accounted for. The deduction is for legal imprecision. An arrest justified out loud as resisting when the durable basis was the domestic violence statute itself. The subject earns a C+. The conduct that summoned police, yelling over a partner, an admitted push, following her as she tried to leave, is the core problem. Yet once detained, he did not physically resist, stayed composed, and asserted his rights calmly, which is precisely why a standalone resisting charge would be fragile. Now, the lessons. For officers, name the right statute. A correct arrest defended with the wrong charge invites suppression and dismissal. In a mandatory arrest state, the domestic violence framework is the foundation, not resisting. For civilians, non-compliance by words is rarely a crime, but it rarely helps. The place to challenge an unlawful order is a courtroom, not a doorway. And invoking your right to silence early protects you far more than explaining yourself while handcuffed. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.